Today we have the question from equivalent weight, and the question goes like this: 5.435 gram of metal carbonate on heating gives 1527.75 cc of CO2. Cc means ml at 20 degrees Celsius and 650 mm of pressure. The equivalent weight of metal is. First we need to write the chemical equation, and the equation goes like this: metallic carbonate M2CO3 on heating gives M plus CO2. The minus minus, and we don't know charge, then it must be here. If there is 2 charge, then this must be 1, so that we can make it 2. And again we will go through. Let me to find in this question we have to find the equivalent weight of metal. It means this one. And so first we need to find the weight of this, weight of CO2. That since we have given the volume, pressure, temperature and pressure of CO2, so we can use PV is equal to nRT, since we have everything in the form of ideal equation, and implies PV equal to weight by m r into T. Pressure we have 650 mm of Hg, that means 650 into and 760. We need to take it into atm, so we will divide with 760. And volume we have 1527.75. this is ml, so we need to convert it into liter. Ideal gas is only used in liter, so by 1000 equal to weight. We need to find molecular weight of CO2 is 44. The value of R, that is universal gas constant, we know 0.0821 liter atm per Kelvin into temperature, that is 20 degrees Celsius, and we need to put it 20 degrees Celsius means we need to put it into Kelvin, that is 20 plus 273 equal to 293 K, that means 293 K. And from here we need to find W equal to 650 into 1527.75 into 44 by 760 into 1000 into 0.0821 into 293. Now cancel it out and we will get 2.38 after cancelling this out. So we got the weight of CO2. Now from our equation we can see we can equate this and this. So metallic weight of M2CO3 by equivalent weight of M2CO3 equal to weight of CO2 by equivalent weight of CO2. And here we go with the weight of CO2 M2CO3 is 5.435. we have here 5.435 in the very beginning. And equivalent weight of M2CO3 we need to convert it into we have the, if we dissociate this, then equivalent weight of metal plus equivalent weight of CO3, that means if 2 then 2, the 2 into equivalent weight of metal plus 60 equivalent weight of oh, what's the mistake? No, it's okay. Weight weight of what is this? CO2. Then given 2.38 equivalent weight of CO2 each. That is 44, and we will go through it. Now after calculation, let us to calculate this. Then 5.435 into 44 in nothing by 2.38 equal to 2 into equivalent weight plus 60. After the calculation equivalent weight per hour, we will get, if this is MCQ, then we can use the short tricks. This got with 2.3, and if you multiply this, then we will get something like 100, something like 100. So we will use like this only. 100 minus 60 equal to 40. 2 into equivalent weight, then equivalent weight per hour 40 by 2, that means 20. In MCQ we don't use to calculate every decimal, so we can precise it and use it alternately. So equivalent weight, what we got, which equivalent here, there was the equivalent weight of metal and then carbonate, what we said, carbonate. So we got our answer 20. So correct answer is 20. Thank you.